Hi everybody. I'm a little bit shook. As you all have heard, there's a terrorist attack in Australia. I'm not shook by the attack necessarily as much as I am shook by the fact that I could have predicted it. And you can predict it using Google. And I'll show you exactly how to predict it. Hi, I'm a computer guy, just so you know. Computer guy, look, computers, lots of stuff, lots of computers. Okay, let me just show you this. This is how you predict terrorist attacks in your house, neighborhood, town, whatever you want. Okay, so this is called Google Trends, real quick. This is a site, Google Trends. It's designed so you can look up things that people are searching in your area, okay? So I just typed in Bondi Beach, Naveed Akram, which is one of the attackers in Australia, that's his name. Australia terrorist attack Australia, and terrorist attack Australia spelt incorrectly because people can't spell. This is set now to Israel. I can set it to worldwide, and it will show me the search terms of this. These terms are all these different waves. So this one's blue, red, okay, for worldwide. But if you just set it to Israel, we can go to Israel and we can see what these terms being searched in Israel in the past day. We can go to the past 90 days. Let's go to the past 90 days. Let's see these search terms searched. Okay, so this is December 14th when the attack occurred, right? And so we can go over here and terrorist attack Australia misspelled was searched 14 times on November 29th. That's pretty weird. We can look here and we can go to the blue and we can say Bondi Beach in Israel was searched 11 times. And then now here's where the really interesting thing happens, because this is on September 29th. We get the word Bondi Beach, Australia terrorist attack, searched 12 times, Bondi Beach 10 times, terrorist attack Australia 12 times as well. So those terms, what are the odds on September 29th in Israel, past 90 days, that those terms were all searched at the same time on the same day? You know, the odds seem a little bit alarmingly unusual. It's almost like it was planned, right? And that would kind of further corroborate, Candace Owens' post here. It says, they have been signaling that a 9/11 style attack is coming second week of December. Save this tweet, it will age well. Which, despite what people think about Candace, that's a pretty alarming tweet. She's kind of suggesting that Israel's been planning a lot of the terrorist attacks, and it kind of, the evidence here is alarming. But let's get a little more detailed. Let's go into the past day, because this just happened, right? So the past day, let's do some math though. We're gonna have to do some math here. It says, if it's 6:45 on Sunday, December 14th in Sydney, Australia, it's 11:45 Saturday, December 13th in California, because we're in California. Okay, so we gotta do the California math, right? Okay, Bondi Beach attack was targeted, happened at